1 series on soil mechanics. This is numerical problem session. In this session we are seeing the IES and GATE and other examination questions. First question is, consider the following statements about group index. This was IES previous question. In this video we are not covering the solutions. Solutions will be given in another video because we are giving an opportunity for the students to solve on their own first. Later we will be giving the solutions for this video. This is first question about group index. Once check the above lectures and try to solve this question. Second question, no need to study. This is the question based on the classification of soil. Once have a glance at the question and answer it. Quotient of curvature, uniformity, everything is discussed in a video lecture. Hence, try to solve this question. Third question is civil services question. This is an excellent question based on the shrinkage limit concepts and shrinkage ratio. We have given more than 2 video presentations on shrinkage limit and shrinkage ratio. Hence, this question solving will be very easy for our students who are following this. Fourth question. In this question, we are giving the IES conventional question. The values of liquid limit, plastic limit and shrinkage limit were reported if the sample at liquid limit has a volume of 40 cubic centimeter and its volume measured at shrinkage limit was given. Determine the specific gravity and also shrinkage ratio and volumetric shrinkage of the soil sample. This was conventional question. Previous question was asked as a 14 marks. The mass specific gravity of a fully saturated sample upon oven dry it reduces. Calculate the specific gravity and shrinkage limit. This was also engineering services question. Excellent question. Another question, sample of sand has a volume of, and this question is based on relative density concept. Once have a look at this question. Laboratory sieve analysis was carried out on a sample. Out of 500 grams of soil used in the test, 200 grams was retained on a particular sieve. And the 250 grams was retained on a 500 micron sieve. Remaining 50 was retained on 425 micron sieve. Find the quotient of uniformity of the soil. Also classify the soil, whether it is well graded, poorly graded, etc. This question was GATE question. For GATE 2 marks it was given, 2 plus 2 linked answer type. It was 4 marks GATE question. Eighth question is the ISRO, Indian Standard Space Research Organization exam. Recent ISRO 2019 question this was. Indian soil classification. Another thing is GATE question. This was also, I think it was in the year 2002 this was asked. You are asked to classify the soil as per Indian soil classification standards. This 10th question is civil services objective question. Recent civil services I remember. The difference between maximum void ratio, minimum void ratio given, relative density concept again. So these were the questions. We have given 10 questions only, not more, not less, moderate. So try to solve these questions. If you cannot solve, we will discuss again in the solution session. For each and every question solution will be given. During this weekend, utilize this time to solve these questions. Thank you one and all for watching.